All right, this lesson is going to be for people that wear glasses like me. Glasses, because when you get old, you need them. It's a part of your body now. It's an extension part of your face, okay? But of course, you're gonna look good because you wear glasses, you look smart, you look educated, and you look cool like me, okay? Get the one like me. This class is gonna be for people that need glasses or planning to get glasses in Thailand. Things happen, okay? You travel. Sometimes you lose glasses. Sometimes you break it. Sometimes you lost it. Sometimes you whatever. You know, someone punched you in the face, and now you need new glasses. Why are you there? You're there for a month. You have no glasses. You can't see. I can't see if I have without glasses. It might be important for people to know all of this stuff. It's going to be a lot of information, so I'm going to get right on it because I don't want to keep talking. All right, let's start. Glasses, any kind of glasses. All right, we call it when. The full word, formal word is when ta. Means glasses. Any kind of glasses. Sunglasses, prescription glasses, whatever glasses. Okay? When ta. But most people call it when. All right? When. That means glasses. You're going to need them. Okay? Now, if you don't need them and you need sunglasses, we call it when kan dad. When kan dad. When kan dad means sunglasses. Okay? Dark. Make you cool. All right? When kan dad. Just don't wear it at night. You look like a weirdo. Okay? Don't wear it indoor because also you look like a weirdo. When kan dad. Okay? That means sunglasses. You're going to need those when you're in Thailand because it's hot. How about eyeglasses? Eyeglasses, you're going to need that for reading. Okay? Whatever, a reader, you know? When you read something, you need eyeglasses or even just looking around. It depends on what you're far-sighted or nearsighted or whatever. I'll get to that later. We call it when sai ta. When sai ta. When sai ta means prescription glasses. Eyeglasses. Use them for reading. Use them for work. Okay? Attached to your face. It's all time, 24/7. When sai ta. Okay? Now, things happen in Thailand. When you lose your glasses, what do you call that? When hai. When hai. When hai means you took it off and it's gone. Okay? Someone stole it. It could be because it's a prize, because it's nice, because, you know, a rare find and people want them, okay? Or you just lost them in a cushion of your sofa at the movie theater, okay? When hai means I lost my glasses. Now, next one is broken glasses. When hak. When hak. Hak means broken. It's broken in half. When hak. Okay, when hak, you need that to fix. So if you try to tell someone, hey man, I broke my glasses, or someone broke my glasses, you know, when hak means broken glasses. You need a new one, you need a fix or whatever. Okay, you have to tell them. They'll take you somewhere to get a fix. Okay, when hak. Now, what happened if you get punched in the face and it's broke, it's totally shattered, your glasses? They call when tak. When tak. When tak means totally shattered or the glasses are gone. Okay? It's in pieces. When tak. You totally need a new one, that's for sure. You know, sometime at the restaurant, okay, if you get to a certain age, and it's dark and it's dim and your glasses can't help you, they might give you a little magnifying glass to read the menu. Yeah, I've seen those. I'm sure you've seen those too. There's little magnifying glasses that you can look, and there's a light on them or whatever, you know, so you can see your menu, right? Or if you want to ask for one, we call that when khayai. When khayai. When khayai means a magnifying glass. It's like one of those like Sherlock Holmes thing, right? When khayai, that's a magnifying glass. If you need those, ask for those, or you can just go out and buy one. You know, and travel with it. That's a small one, right? It's a little flat one, I think. I don't know. I have not come to use those yet because I'm not that old. How about a frame? The frame of the glasses. Sometimes you choose a frame. You go to the glasses store or boutique or I don't know, man. I don't know what they have, right? And you're looking for a frame. You want your own frame, a different custom frame, right? They call it กรอบแว่น 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 กรอบ means a frame, a surrounding frame. Okay? Actually, that word can mean many things. But in this context, in this situation, you at the glasses store, you at the sunglasses store, they understand that it's กรอบ when means the frame of your glasses. Okay? Look for those. กรอบ when. Okay? Now, what do you call the arm or the leg of your glasses? Do you call them legs or you call them arms? I don't know. I just call them this. I don't know. I call them legs sometimes or arms. I just keep going back and forth. We call it ขา when. ขา when means legs of the glasses. ขา when. Sometimes it's broke off because you sit on them at night. Some people don't want the girls to see that they want glasses, right? So they put it in the back pocket and you sat on them. And you break it off. The legs of the glasses is ขา when. ขา when. That means the leg of the glasses. You just broke them. Okay? So you need a new one. Prescription glasses, if you want to get one. All right? We'll call it ตัดแว่น 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 means getting custom made. You totally like lost it or broke it or sit on them or you drop it in the lava. I don't know. All right? You need a new one. So prescription glasses, get a new one, you call it ตัดแว่น ตัดแว่น. So if someone asks you, hey, where you going, man? ตัดแว่น. So they understand. Okay? Like, oh, look at this fool. He's lost his glasses. Yeah, he need a new one. All right? ตัดแว่น. Here's a bonus. This is the two bonus that you're going to need. Nearsighted. สายตาสั้น สายตาสั้น means nearsighted. All right? Now, farsighted. สายตายาว สายตายาว สายตายาว. Now, what that means? Meaning farsighted. สายตา means vision. สายตาสั้น means short vision. Okay? Nearsighted. สายตายาว means far-sighted vision. Farsighted. Okay? I know it has nothing to do with glasses, but if you're going to go to a doctor, if you're going to go to an eye doctor, you have to tell them. I'm sure they'll find out, but they might ask, are you a farsighted or a nearsighted? They might not. Learn that because you might need it when you're in Thailand. Emergency happens. Okay? So I hope you find all of these lessons to be helpful to you. There's a lot of information in there. You have to go and rewatch it and write them down. Make sure you write them down. Make sure you listen to it with sound because the pronunciation is crucial. Okay? It's very important. You can't just write them down and practice on your own because pronunciation is going to be off to the deep end, and nobody is going to understand what you're saying. And a lot of people are like, yeah, I speak Thai, but when they speak Thai, nobody understands. And you're like, why don't anyone else understand me? Because your pronunciation is off. Okay? Go back, rewatch it, listen to it closely. Okay? If you have any question, write down in a comment. I'll help you. My name is Bodo. There's a lot of lessons coming up, and I don't want you to miss out. Like and subscribe, and click on that notification bell, and I will see you next time. Peace.